Hello everyone, this is Gomati Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in today's Bank Nifty review. So, thank you all, my dear 22.5k subscribers. I'm very thankful to you all, each and every one. Keep sharing the videos and keep sharing my YouTube channel to all your trading circle. So, let us quickly see what happened in Bank Nifty for past 2 days. So, previously we saw the Bank Nifty review till May 4th. So, let's analyze what happened yesterday and today. So, yesterday in my Telegram channel, I warned all my Telegram subscribers to stay away from bullish market because repeatedly in my videos I am telling retail traders are trapped in their long position. Now again what happened on 5th May is there is a fake up move. See, market is closing here somewhere around 19,800. This Bank Nifty is closing around. See, if we see here, Bank Nifty is closing around 19,800 levels. Now, to trap the retail traders, the first candle is opening around 20,200 levels, almost around 20,200 levels, just to trap the retail traders. This fake up move is just to create long position from the retail traders. Retail traders, after seeing this up move, immediately they will initiate a long position because I have told many times beginners and enthusiastic traders, they will jump into the trade. Now all their long position is taken away in this particular area. See, a continuous downtrend is just to take all the long positions created by the retail traders. In a weak market, we should be very careful while initiating any position. Okay, for example, in the morning, where you can take your position, how to start the day. See here, if R1 and previous day high is broken, you can go for a long, otherwise don't go for any trade. Similarly, if previous day low and S1 is broken, go for a short, otherwise don't go for any trade. Market is staying inside this level, it can trap you anyway. It can trap you anyway. There will be no proper movement. Okay. So here initially what you can do, look at this particular area, initially leave some time for the market. Okay, I am telling especially for beginners, initially give some market to cool down. Okay, give some time for the market to settle. As soon as you see this hero candle, our Bahubali candle, you can take a short position, keep your stop loss above CPR. Above CPR, keep your stop loss. You are initiating a short position in this particular candle. Okay, and what will be a target? Your first target will be, always I used to say, your first target will be 50% of CPR and previous day low. Your second target will be, this is T1, and your second target will be previous day low. So your first target is CPR and previous day low 50% level. Your second target is previous day low. So almost your target 1 and target 2 is reached. Now see, the entire market is stuck in between this particular level. See here, in the later part of the session, the entire market is stuck beautifully in this particular area. Okay, now what I will tell is, you can initiate a short position according to Dow theory at this particular level. Can you see this Dow theory? See, this is Dow theory and it is beautifully broken at this particular level. And this candle is also called as Bahubali candle. This candle is also called as Bahubali candle. Now again I posted in my Telegram channel, this uptrend is a fake move. This uptrend is a fake move. Don't trust this uptrend. Okay, this is just to trap the retail traders. Now after seeing this, see what people will do. Okay, market has broken the channel, let's go for a long position. Everybody will go long here, but I have clearly told, if there is a uptrend in the market, that is a fake move, that is a trap. So when here the Dow theory is broken, when the Dow theory is broken here beautifully, now you can initiate a short position. When you are initiating your short position here, your target will be current day low, which means that particular day low, this will be your target. If that is so, this will be a target 1. Your second target will be this S1 T2. Later, after that, don't wait for any levels. Quickly book your profit at T1 and T2 and exit. So overall, on 5th, it is a little trap day. A trap day for retail traders, especially for retail traders. Okay, so whenever is market going up like this in a weaker situation, weak market situation, if market is going up, these are trap. These are a perfect example of trap. Now again, if you see today the entire day market was looking to go up. Again, it is for a trapping a retail trader only. So see today what happened, exactly at S1 and previous day low, reversal happened. Now what you can do, apply our CPR open reversal trick. CPR open reversal trick. Okay, you can apply the CPR reversal trick and you can initiate a position as you see some rejection candles. Now look at the Bahubali candle. That Bahubali candle is confirming the trend. That Bahubali candle is confirming the trend. When you are entering long in this Bahubali candle, keep your stop loss at S1 or below that current day low. Below these candles low, keep your stop loss. Okay, what is your target? Your target will be always CPR. CPR will be your target always. Now later part of the day, market is stuck in between CPR. See, the CPR is like home for the candles. Home for the candles. So if candles are going inside the CPR, they will not come out. They will not come out. They will be sitting inside their home only. They will be sitting inside their home. CPR will have the candles for a long time, because CPR is like a home. So candles will be taking rest inside the CPR for a long time. Now today, only one position we got, and that too long position. Okay, in a weaker trend, it's better not to go for a long position. But if you are going for a long position, try to exit as soon as possible. Don't trail your profits. Now today entire day market was bullish. Now tomorrow again market will go down and it will trap the retail traders, because I will tell you, see, let me show you the trend in daily chart. Let me show you the trend in daily chart. See here, this particular level I already marked in my previous videos. Okay, everyone knows that this particular level I marked in my previous videos. So this level is broken by the candles. These levels are broken by the candles. See here, the past 2 days, the levels are broken beautifully by Bank Nifty. See here, the bulls are not having any power. There is no power for the bulls. Okay, and there is no fresh high from the bulls. See here, market is going like this. Okay, now this trend line is broken already. This trend line is broken already. So the trend is still weak. The trend line is already broken. If you take any angle, still the trend line is broken. If you are connecting this, again the trend line is broken on 4th May. If you connect like this, again the trend line is broken on yesterday. So anyway, this trend line is broken, so we can expect some downtrend in Bank Nifty. All these green candles are just a trap according to my analysis and prediction. Okay. So what I feel is retail traders are getting trapped. Retail traders are getting trapped in this market situation. Even see in 1 hour chart, see, you can easily identify the downtrend. The trend line is broken. Now market is taking support at this particular level in 1 hour chart. Okay. If this is broken, once again we can expect some levels like this. Once again the market may come to 17,000 levels. Okay, once again market may face this 17,000 levels, or at least 18,000. At least to 18,000 market may come down. So this fake uptrend is created just to trap the retail traders, nothing else. Okay, so this is what happening in market. See, in the trend line, exactly market took resistance yesterday and market started to fall. See here, exactly at the trend line which I draw in daily and 1 hour, market is taking resistance yesterday and it started to fall. Okay, and today it is a fake uptrend. Again tomorrow what can happen? Market can go up, market may go up like this. Okay, and again it will fall down, or the opening itself we can expect some gap down and market may fall heavily. Opening itself we can expect some gap down and market may fall heavily. So still market is weak. If market is showing you any signs of bullishness, don't go for long position because market is still weak. Now let us see what is the message from tomorrow CPR. See the message from tomorrow CPR. See, tomorrow we are having a overlapping CPR, overlapping descending CPR. So even though tomorrow if market is going down, the downtrend will not be very strong. What does a overlapping descending CPR tells? An overlapping descending CPR tells that market will go down, but the power of bears will be less. So we cannot expect market to fall heavily. A little downtrend we can expect. Okay. So this is according to my experience and this is according to my analysis skills. So you can backtest and you can do on your own also. Okay. So thank you all. Keep sharing my videos and keep watching all my videos. Share my videos and join my Telegram channel if